So let's take a look at exactly what happened. What is the information we have right now on the death of Mahant Narendra Giri? Here's exactly what happened. His body was found. He was found hanging at his mutt. Now, Narendra Giri was found hanging at the Prayagraj mutt. And soon after that, it was his disciples, in fact, who'd found his body. The seer, in fact, had given a suicide note, which was recovered and retrieved by the cops, in which he blamed several disciples for his death, for his suicide, and for him taking the extreme step. Now, specifically, he named 3 disciples, including one of the top disciples of the Prayagraj mutt, Anand Giri. He accused them of mentally harassing him, leading him to take this step. The disciples, in turn, have claimed that the suicide note is fake, that it's not been written by Mahant Narendra Giri. They're saying that this is a conspiracy, this is a case of murder. So the disciples have gone on record. Anand Giri, speaking to India Today, had said very clearly that this seer was murdered, and there's a lot more that's happening than what meets the eye. Now, who exactly was Mahant Narendra Giri? Why is the entire country really talking about the death of this renowned seer? He is the head of the influential Akhada Parishad. In fact, he took over as the president of the Akhada Parishad in 2016. Now, the reason this particular group is so renowned and so influential is because, in fact, it's the largest organization of seers in the country. And Mahant Narendra Giri was heading this organization. Let's also tell you about the investigation so far. Who are the suspects? I mentioned the name of Anand Giri. He's a disciple, part of the Prayagraj mutt. He's been named in the suicide note, according to the police, of Mahant Narendra Giri. Several other names of disciples as well in the suicide note. You have also, in fact, Adhya Tiwari, who's been named. Again, someone who is part of this mutt. He's a seer there, and he's been named in the suicide note. Sandeep Tiwari, also a seer in the Prayagraj mutt, has been named in the suicide note. Now, also, besides the disciples that have been named, you've got Anand Giri claiming that this is a case of murder, and he's named several others who he claims are suspects. One of them is Mahant Narendra Giri's guard, Ajay Singh. He's been named. Beyond that, Anand Giri also has gone on record to go ahead and name another close aide of Mahant Narendra Giri, Manish Shukla. Remember that these 2 names haven't been mentioned in the suicide note, but have been named by Anand Giri, who's been named in the suicide note by Mahant Narendra Giri.
Well, a stunning blackmail angle has also emerged in the Narendra Giri case. In fact, this is what we are learning. Investigations in the Mahant's death case has now revealed that Giri was allegedly being blackmailed. Police sources have told India Today that a CD was being used to blackmail the Akhada Parishad chief, and that a Samajwadi Party leader who enjoyed the status of a state minister is also under the scanner. Well, this leader would have also visited Giri at the Bagbari mutt regularly. Sources say that Anand Giri, Mahant Narendra Giri's disciple, who is also named in the suicide note, was also said to be close to this particular Neta. Meanwhile, 3 people involved were in fact in conversation were a part of the reconciliation between Giri and his disciple Anand in the month of May. They will be questioned as well. This includes the Samajwadi Party leader Indu Prakash Mishra, BJP leader Sushil Mishra, and additional SPOP Pandey, who was posted in Muradabad. It, however, remains unclear if Indu Prakash is the same SP leader who was allegedly involved in blackmailing this year. All right, now what makes this death so mysterious? There are several big questions that remain unanswered. Did the revered seer die by suicide over mental torture? Was there some sort of mental harassment that was being meted out to him, and that's the reason why he took his life? Did the disciple force the seer to end his life, as is being claimed in the suicide note? Who was this ex-Samajwadi Party minister who allegedly blackmailed seer, and what exactly is this blackmailing angle all about? We don't know. These are the big questions. Also, is the Samajwadi Party leader close to the arrested disciple? Is there a link between 2 of these people? Is what we do not know. Was a CD used to blackmail the Hindu seer? There's a conversation that's been doing the rounds of a CD. What went wrong hours after the media interaction? Remember, just the day before yesterday, he was meeting with the press. Did the seer disciple truce struck in May fail? Remember, 26th of May was this conversation. What really happened after that? Will a CBI probe reveal conspiracy? The UP government has said if needed, we will order for a CBI probe. Samarth is getting us all of those details. He joins us from Lucknow for more on that story. Samarth, give us an idea about the blackmailing angle that seems to have emerged right now. What are your sources indicating when it comes to this blackmail, this conspiracy theory that's been doing the rounds now? We'll just wait for a couple of seconds to go back to Samarth in a bit from now. But remember, the role of a Samajwadi Party Neta is also under the scanner. Is this Samajwadi Party Neta the same as the person who was in fact involved in reconciliation talks between the seer who died yesterday and his disciple? Samarth is with us now. Samarth, just to talk us through the blackmailing angle now that has come to the fore, what are the sources within the police indicating?
Well, first I want to show you the rich visuals out here. I'm currently present at the mutt outside, the place where, this is the room where the body of Mahant is placed. And many, you can see the large number of his followers, his disciples coming from different places, from Prayagraj, from other parts of UP have come around to take his blessings, to see his final picture. So these are the scenes, and this is the particular room where his body is placed for some time, after which the body will be taken out and will be placed outside the premises of the mutt, and tomorrow morning the postmortem will take place, and then the Samadhi process will begin by afternoon. And if you talk about the investigative, on the investigation front, then yes, 3 names have come in within the suicide note, after which FIR was registered, and the Mahant, who is being taken to Prayagraj and will be reaching Prayagraj soon, has been named in the FIR with abatement of suicide section. So it's a clear indication. Also, it seems to be a nexus in which a Samajwadi Party minister's name is also coming in, ex-minister's name also coming in. So although police is still saying that it is all the part of investigation, but it is worth mentioning that investigation is on and questioning will be done across the people. And you can see the visuals out here that people have arrived in large numbers, and see now Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav is entering the premises of this particular mutt. As we reported, Akhilesh arrived few minutes back, and now he is entering the mutt. As you can see, a large number of people have gathered out here and are waiting for Akhilesh Yadav to come in. Cameraman Nidish Kumar showing you the visuals out here. And Akhilesh Yadav has arrived, and see the crowd. This is the crowd to welcome Akhilesh Yadav, and these are the disciples, the worshippers, the followers of Mahant Giri Maharaj. See, you can see the police team, the entire sequence, how Akhilesh Yadav is entering inside, and right after that, where I showed you the visuals of the room, Akhilesh Yadav will enter inside this particular room. See, this is the door, this is the entrance door, and Akhilesh Yadav will be arriving here within seconds. So these are the updates. Akhilesh Yadav has arrived. Samajwadi Party chief was also close to Mahant Giri. As we told, Mahant Giri was not limited to just Saffron Party. He was for Samajwadi Party. He was close to Mulayam Singh. He was close to Congress, and these are the scenes. Akhilesh Yadav. You can see the Akhilesh Yadav coming in out here. So these.
Okay, we'll just go back to Samarth in a bit from now, but Samarth was reporting live from Prayagraj, the mutt of the revered seer who passed away yesterday. This, of course, is a mysterious death and is being probed as well. Meanwhile, the latest update is that former UP Chief Minister and Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav has arrived at the mutt to pay his last respects to the seer, pictures of whom you see on your screens right now. The Samajwadi Party Chief there paying his last respects to the seer. And like Samarth was pointing out that the seer was close not just to the Bharatiya Janata Party but also to the Congress and the Samajwadi Party, for example. Meanwhile, the UP government has said that if there is a need, we will also order a CBI probe in this matter, given the circumstances under which his body was found. There is also talks of a suicide note that has been found where the body was found hanging late in the evening yesterday. These are pictures from the residence of the seer who died whose body was found under mysterious circumstances. Yesterday, a lot of his followers have come to pay last respects, and heavy police presence also in that particular area at the Mutt in Prayagraj, where we are getting you all the details from. A blackmailing angle is being probed also into all of this, and also the role of a Samajwadi Party leader who was involved, in fact, in reconciliation talks between the seer and his disciple, who now stands arrested. The latest, the Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav is in Prayagraj right now at the Mutt of the seer whose body was found yesterday. He's died under mysterious circumstances, and the Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav is there right now to pay his last respects. Well, amid this controversy over the Hindu seer's death, UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, who is himself a Mahant of Gorakhpur Temple, paid his last respects to the late Akhada Parishad head Mahant Narendra Giri. Yogi visited the Mutt led by the revered seer and also met other religious heads at the Bagambari Mutt. He also took stock of the probe into the mysterious death. Speaking to the press, he called the death an irreparable loss to the spiritual world. He promised that culprits will be punished soon. He's also gone on to say that the police have collected the evidence related to the probe. He's also revealed that Mahant Giri's last rites will be performed tomorrow. The Yogi Adityanath government has also hinted at a CBI probe into the mystery death of the seer who was close to the ruling BJP. Bhopal MP Sadhvi Pragya called it a murder, demanding a CBI inquiry.
कि संवेदनशील प्रकरण में अनावश्यक बयानबाजी से बचें, जांच एजेंसियों को निष्पक्ष ढंग से कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाने दें और जो भी इसके लिए जिम्मेदार होगा उसको कानून के दायरे में ला करके कड़ी से कड़ी सजा भी दिलाई जाएगी। उनके शिष्यों और अनुयायियों और अखाड़ा से जुड़े हुए पदाधिकारियों की राय है कि कल आज जनता के दर्शन के लिए उनका पार्थिव शरीर यहाँ पर बागंबरी पीठ में ही रहेगा। जो भी धार्मिक रीति है शास्त्रोक्त पद्धति से उनकी भावनाओं के अनुरूप समाधि का कार्यक्रम यहाँ पर संपन्न होगा।
जांच हो रही है, मैं समझता हूँ उस पर मुझे कुछ बोलना नहीं है, लेकिन पूज्य महाराज जी के इस धरती को छोड़ करके जाने के लिए जो भी जिम्मेदार होंगे, जो भी कारण होंगे, वह सारे कारण को जांचेंगे और जो दोषी होंगे उनको दंड।
सीबीआई जांच की भी मांग की जा रही है।
जो मांग की जाएगी, अगर जरूरत होगी तो सीबीआई जांच के लिए भी तैयार है।
अध्यक्ष के रूप में रहकर इस प्रकार से उनकी हत्या हो जाना या उनको आत्महत्या कर लेना, ये एक जांच का विषय तो है ही, किंतु एक दुखद विषय भी इसलिए है कि जहां देखो वहां हमारे धर्म पर कुठाराघात किया जा रहा है। ये विधर्मियों का काम हो सकता है और इसकी गहनता से जांच होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि हम एक पक्ष को देखकर दूसरे पक्ष को नकार नहीं सकते। मैं सीबीआई और एनआईए जांच की मांग करूंगी, क्योंकि ये धर्म का विषय है।
Political leaders are also demanding a thorough probe into Narendra Giri's death.
कि योगी आदित्यनाथ जी के होते हुए और स्वयं गृह मंत्री होते हुए कोई भी पक्ष नजरअंदाज नहीं होगा, और मुझे तो पूर्ण विश्वास है कि 24 घंटे में यह मसला, इस मामले की तहकीकात जो तेजी से चल रही है, खुलासा होगा। और यदि लगेगा कि इसमें और कोई बहुत बड़ी बात है, तब तो स्वयं ही सरकार आगे बढ़ा देती है उसको। यातनाएं सहकर और कठिनाई सहकर उन्होंने धर्म की सेवा की, और जब राम मंदिर बन रहा हो, ऐसे में बिना राम मंदिर को देखे चले जाना, तो ये कुछ जब्त नहीं हो रहा, गले से उतर नहीं रहा।
आज महंत नरेंद्र गिरी जी हमारे बीच में नहीं रहे, हम सब के लिए बहुत दुख की बात है, और पूरा संत समाज और हिंदुस्तान की जनता आज बहुत दुखी है। मैं तो सरकार से ही कहूँगा, सरकार उनकी मौत की निष्पक्ष जांच करे और सच जनता के सामने आए।
महंत नरेंद्र गिरी जी का दुखद परिस्थितियों में निधन हो गया है। हम सब शोकाकुल हैं। जिन परिस्थितियों में उनकी मृत्यु हुई है, उनके कारणों की गंभीरता पूर्वक, निष्पक्षता पूर्वक सरकार को जांच करनी होगी, ताकि दोषियों के खिलाफ कड़ी कार्रवाई की जा सके। जिन परिस्थितियों में, जिन संदिग्ध परिस्थितियों में उनकी मृत्यु हुई है, उनके कारणों की समुचित, गहन और निष्पक्षता से जांच हो।